Today I am reviewing the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill and Air Fryer FG 551. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill and Air Fryer FG 551 is a true all-in-one countertop cooking powerhouse, combining 6 appliances into one versatile device. Whether you love grilled steaks, crispy chicken wings, or perfectly roasted vegetables, this appliance delivers professional-level results right in your kitchen. One of the standout features is its smart indoor grill and air fryer combo. Using Cyclonic grilling technology, it reaches up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit to sear, char, and crisp food just like an outdoor grill. You get authentic barbecue grill flavor with beautiful sear marks, all without leaving your kitchen smoky or greasy. This makes it perfect for apartments, small kitchens, or anyone who wants the taste of outdoor grilling year-round without the hassle. The Smart Cook system with Thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking. Equipped with a dual-sensor thermometer, it monitors your food's internal temperature, giving you perfect results every time. It comes with 4 protein presets and 9 doneness levels, so whether you're cooking a rare steak, medium chicken breast, or well-done pork chop, you can be confident that your meals come out perfectly cooked, without the risk of overcooking or undercooking. Capacity is another area where this Ninja Foodi truly shines. The XL family-size grill grate can fit up to 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs at once, while the 4-quart crisper basket handles larger batches of air-fried favorites. This is perfect for meal prepping, family dinners, or cooking for a group, all in a single appliance. Speaking of versatility, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL is more than just a grill. It functions as a 6-in-1 kitchen appliance, offering the ability to air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and crisp. From juicy burgers and grilled vegetables to crispy fried-style wings with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying, this appliance can replace multiple devices in your kitchen. For health-conscious cooks, the air fryer crisper basket delivers that golden, crispy texture without deep frying, letting you enjoy your favorite foods with significantly less oil. And the smoke control system ensures your indoor grilling experience remains virtually smoke-free. The combination of a splatter shield, cool air zone, and temperature-controlled grill grate keeps your kitchen clean and your cooking stress-free. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to dishwasher-safe parts. And the included chef-created 15-recipe book inspires everything from classic burgers and wings to creative air-fried meals and dehydrated snacks. The package comes with the Smart XL Grill, 9-inch by 12-inch grill grate, 4-quart crisper basket, 4-quart cooking pot, Foodi Smart Thermometer, cleaning brush, and recipe book, giving you everything you need to start cooking immediately. In short, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL Indoor Grill and Air Fryer FG 551 is a game-changer for home cooks. Its speed, precision, versatility, and family-size capacity make it perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy healthier, flavorful meals at home. From air-frying crispy snacks to perfectly grilling steaks indoors, this Ninja appliance brings convenience, taste, and innovation into your kitchen, making it a must-have for 2025 and beyond.